G'day! Today down the shed on the debuild rebuild, we're going to start playing around with the engine. We'll pull off some of the accessories and throw some new gaskets under it. I'll go find me helpers. Let's go find them. There's another little project we've got on the go a bit later on.
Yo, Dad.
Hey, what are you doing in there?
Can we take it for a drive?
Does the thing even run, mate?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
It's a surprise.
It's a surprise. I know, hurry up. Get this thing started. There's this little bandit coming down here. Oh, you going to come give us a hand?
Yeah.
All right. I hope you had fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Did a couple of
We'll get you to take a few bits and pieces off, mate. Pull that manifold off. Yeah?
Yep.
Drain the oil.
Yep.
What else can you take off?
Probably this.
All right.
This, and a whole bunch of other stuff.
Okay. Well, you get stuck into that.
Yep.
Little fella, give us a hand, open up the mail.
Yep. New light.
We've got new lights.
Backlight.
A backlight.
And a new front light.
And who have we got to thank for getting us these parts? Rocket Man, giving us a couple of bucks. Give him a dirty thumbs up, eh?
Yep.
Well, I'll give him a dirty thumbs up. Yeah, boy. Let people at home know what you've taken off.
An exhaust manifold, water pump.
Water pump, and what have you done on the other side?
I've drained the oil and
Taken those off.
yeah.
What are they called?
I forgot.
Forgot. How much oil come out of it?
Not that much.
Not that
Something
much.
fell in there.
Something fell in there. All right.
And I'm about to take this one off.
What's that for?
What?
What's that for? Oh, where's your mouth? What do you breathe in? Air. Air intake?
Yes.
All right. And then what are we going to do? Pull those injectors out? I think they're loose anyway. Oh, you going to take it off? You going to show the people how to do it?
I was taking a bolt off.
All right. Few technical issues. Pull it off. There we go. Air intake's off.
Yep.
Looks like we're going to have to give it a decent coolant flush. Time to clean up some surface areas, you reckon?
Yep.
Good job, mate. Keep going. How you going?
Good.
Pulling the studs out. Well, we've been busy pulling bits and pieces off, cleaning it up. You can try and knock off the stands, mate.
Yes.
Righto. Show them what you're doing. Explain what you're doing.
So we're getting the broken ones out.
The broken what?
The broken
Studs?
studs.
How did you get that to come out that easy? Hey, was this set up?
Yes.
Hey, you're not meant to tell them that, man. Righto. Let's go see what the delivery we got given. Come on, show them what the delivery was. You got to thank our mate Joe for a gasket kit. Give him a dirty thumbs up. Yeah, boy. Get in the right spot there, mate. Yeah, all right. Good boy. Clean it up for us. How are you getting another bolt out that easy, Riley? Is that another setup one?
Yes.
You tell them a pair of Nipex are the go, aren't they?
Yeah.
Righto. Let's continue. got it?
Yep.
Good boy. Now you going over here.
No.
What'd you find?
Broken one.
Another broken one. Oh, lucky you're getting good at pulling these out. How tight are you going to do that up?
Really tight.
Really tight. All right. Doesn't hold the engine together, does it?
No.
Okay. Thanks, mate. It's just till it touches.
Yep.
Okay. Now go 3/4 of a turn. And a little bit, maybe. There we go. That's good enough, eh? Grab the next one. Bang that one on. You got lube on it?
Yep.
Good boy. What are you going to do with that one? You're going to bang it on.
Yep.
Not with the hammer. Righto, that's all we've got time for today. Thanks for watching. If you feel like it, subscribe. Otherwise, take it easy. Dirty thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel.